So I wanted to make a quick video because I had some downtime between jobs. So I decided to work on my own bench radio. It's my Robyn SB520D. I normally keep it off the side. Yeah, so this radio, I bought it was pretty much all original except for the echo board that was installed in it. Somebody had taken out the RF gain pot and installed the echo board switch into that. So I took that out, put a new pot in there, and reconnected the RF gain. But I was still having issues with the radio, so I had no AM. I had little AM power and no sidebands, no upper or lower sideband power at all. No transmit. It's like very, very little. But I figured I'd do a recap on it first and then do a transceiver alignment. And so yeah, this was a pain in the butt to cap. Lots of little caps, and you have to remove this heat sink here. And then on the bottom there's quite a few RF shields you gotta get at. And yeah, take those. You got to take those out. But anyway, yeah, it was a pain. I got it done, and I did a transceiver alignment. And fortunately, I had. This is one of the rarer of the SAMS manuals, I was told. But fortunately, I have this. I actually have quite a few SAMS manuals here. Quite a few rare ones, but. What's cool is this book here, there's a whole index on all the electronics that SAMS made manuals for. So if you want to look up a specific, piece of electronic, radio, whatever, tape deck, VCR, if SAMS made a repair manual for it, it's in here. So this is a good way to actually get the book number for whatever thing you're trying to fix. It's in here. This thing's pretty handy to have. But anyway, yeah. So I did the transceiver alignment, and I'm really happy with the results. This radio is back to normal, and I mean, if you guys know this Uniden, the 858 sidebands, I mean they're tough to beat, and this radio is no exception. So let me give this a quick test. Put this to AM, and full watt dead key. Audio. It's what, 25, 26, somewhere around there. Put this to upper sideband. Audio. And lower sideband. Audio. Right where it needs to be, right around 12. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way this came out. So it goes to show you that, good recap, good quality caps, a factory transceiver alignment, and you get good results that way. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the videos I've been putting out. Like and subscribe, and yeah, send me your radios. Thanks, guys. I forgot to mention something, so I figured I'd just put this on the end of the other video. So when I went to go adjust the bias, the upper sideband, so the manual here says adjust for 60 milliamps. And then, yeah, so adjust VR15 for 60 milliamps and VR16 for 50 milliamps. So you just, I'm sure all the techs know, but just pop off these wires and, have your meter in series with these. But when I took my measurements, the VR15 was at 80 milliamps. And then the VR16 was set at 90 milliamps. So I'm not sure if, it's not good, but I don't know if that had something to do with the sideband. I don't know if it was just getting way too hot, because that's, it's way too much amperage. So I'm not sure. I can't be 100% sure, you know, if that was my sideband issue, but I'm sure it wasn't helping. I'm sure all that added heat probably was, you know, contributing to the low power. But it's just something to, yeah, just something to keep in mind when you are doing an alignment, is to, you know, make sure that you do check that bias voltage. All right, guys, thanks.